Hello my dear foodies! Welcome to Afreens Tasty Kitchen. Wish you all a happy Independence Day from Afreens Tasty Kitchen, and this day is special for every Indian. So let's celebrate another year of freedom and prosperity with a classic Indian dessert, Tricolor Barfi or Tiranga Barfi, which I have layered to resemble the Indian flag. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's get started with the process. Take a heavy bottom pan, add 1/4 cup ghee, 1.5 cup fine Suji rava or semolina. Roast the Suji until it becomes aromatic and turns to light color. Now add 4 cups of water and keep stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. Now cover with a lid and let the Suji cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it gets cooked completely. Now add 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix well. Add a pinch of salt and keep stirring everything. Once this consistency is obtained, switch off the flame. Take 3 bowls and divide the Suji mixture equally in these bowls. In the first bowl, I am adding yellow plus red color to get the orange color. To the other bowl, I am adding green food color . So now we have all the Tiranga colors. I am starting layering now in a tin with ghee applied on a butter paper. First layer is orange. Now spread it equally. Then goes the white layer. And finally the green layer. Cover it up all over. Now keep this tin in refrigerator until set. Let's demold the Tiranga Barfi now. Cut into pieces of desired shape. Our Tiranga Barfi or the Tricolor Barfi is ready to be served now. This delicious Tricolor Barfi is not only easy to make but tastes amazing. So, make the Tricolor Barfi and enjoy with your loved ones this Independence Day. If you like my recipe, share it as much as you can and extend your support to my channel. See you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Happy Independence Day. Bye-bye.